Welcome back. In this lecture, we will demonstrate how to read and interpret the command line arguments using the sys.argv list. Understanding the structure of this list is the first critical step in processing external data. 1. The structure of sys.argv. When a Python script is executed with arguments, the sys.argv variable is populated as a standard Python list of strings. The key point is that the element at index 0 is always the name of the script itself, and the actual user-provided arguments start from index 1. 2. Accessing arguments and length. Since sys.argv is a list, we can use standard list operations on it. We can get the total count of arguments, including the script name, using the len function. We can also access any individual argument using its index, like accessing sys.argv at index 1 for the first user argument. Three. Iterating through arguments. To process all the actual user arguments, we use a for loop that specifically slices the list, starting from index 1 up to the end. This ensures we skip the script name and only deal with the passed-in data. To summarize, think of sys.argv as a list of strings where the script name is always the first item. Remember to check the length of the list before trying to access any arguments to prevent an index error. Our next lecture 11.03. Command line arguments in VS Code. See you there.